Good morning, everybody. Gosh, it's been a while since I made a video. So this is Monday morning. It's about 8 o'clock. Oh no, it's about 8:30. I am headed out to milk this morning. And as you can see, we have been selling our fall stuff off the market. So we've got pumpkins for sale, and we've been doing mums, and we've got some gourds over here and different kinds of things. So, and we finally, this is not where my sign is going, but we did kind of prop my sign up here. And we've got some tri-colored mums, some more mums over here. And I think the dogs like to rummage through here at night, so. All right. So anyways, I haven't been on in a while. I haven't made a movie. So I thought, what is a better time to make one? Max, you stop that. Good boy. And look how big Max has gotten. He's gotten so big. He's a big boy. Sit. Max, sit. Good boy. Max turns a year old in November. So, but I thought, what better time to make a movie than while I'm headed out to the barn to milk. So right now I have to go in and wash my milk stuff, and then we will go out to the barn and I will show you Cookie and everybody else out there. So we will be right back. All right, so we have our stuff here and we are going to go milk and see the other critters. So I'm kind of using a new camera holder here this morning because mine broke. It's on my wrist. I can adjust it and I can put it on other things. So if you notice it's bouncy for a minute. There's Jenga and her pasture. So it is a cold morning here in Indiana. Actually, it's been colder. Yesterday morning it was in the low to mid 30s, about 6-7 o'clock in the morning. Today it's not so bad, and I don't think it's supposed to get that cold anymore. So we are going to get our milk stuff. And actually, I'm going to take this off for a minute. I'd rather carry it. There we go. I'm going to grab our milk stuff here. The girls are getting ready to come out to move the meat birds outside. They go out to their pasture today. So the girls will be doing that. Good morning, Applejacks. Hi, big boy. How are you? Hi. Oh. You give the kisses. You give the camera kisses, huh, big boy? So, there's Ginger. Hello, Miss Ginger. Hello. Oh boy! I just dropped the milk lid here. And we're just gonna put our stuff here in the stanchion. Oh, there's Cookie Moo, if you can see her. She's just laying down right there. Hi, Ginger. Hi. And there's Cookie Moo. Yeah. Cookie Moo's getting so big. So, alright. Well, let me go ahead and gather my stuff, and we will be back with you. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and let Ginger in. We've got all the milk stuff set up here. We've got Cookie's bowl here. That way you can see Cookie Cuteness this morning. And Ginger comes rushing in the door. Good golly. Close her in. She's got her grain. And now we will sit here. I'm right here. We will sit here. Come on. Bring your foot over. There you go. Good girl. Here, Cookie. Here, Cookie. So Cookie has got her morning food. Look at that cuteness. Cookie has also... We usually don't lock Cookie up. If you lock up your calf, it just gives you more milk. We haven't been locking Cookie up because with what Ginger gives, we usually have enough. But Cookie has become a hog. So I think we're gonna have to start locking her up. She has really been stealing my milk. And I run a herd share. So I need to make sure that we have enough milk for everybody on the days that they have to pick up milk. So right now I'm just cleaning Ginger's teats off with some water and then with some iodine. And then I rinse off the iodine. And she has some up there. She'll usually let down for me and I'll end up getting the milk I need. But she has to let down. Cows will hold the milk up for their calf. Hi. Hi, Cookie Moo. Cookie is learning to eat grain, as you can see. This is her grain bucket. Hi, big girl. So we'll be weaning Cookie. It won't be too much longer. Another month or two. We will wean her. Maybe. Huh. Right now I'm just getting out the first few squirts of milk into my jar. And we usually give that to the cats. So we put it in a jar and we run it through a screen over here to make sure there's no mastitis or anything. Alright, and so we began. Oh, Cookie, here. Come on. Cookie does not like a lot of movement still. We did buy Cookie a halter. We're going to start halter training her. We're going to start spending a lot more time out here with her than what we already do, because she needs to get to be people friendly. When she's out here, I mess with her a lot, especially on her little teats. I make sure she's good with people touching them, because Cookie is our future milk cow, or another one. So come here, Cookie. Come here, Cookie. Come here, Cookie Moo. Come here, pretty girl. She's scratching her head and she went over there to the corner to use the bathroom. She'll come back. I don't know if my camera will face over there. This new thing here I got. There it is. There's Cookie. Come here, Cookie. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. She's a good girl. Come here. Come on. Eat your food. She will eat her breakfast while I milk. I'm getting licks from Cookie here on my jacket. What? What? You see the camera? Yeah, what is that? Huh? Oh, cows love their cheeks rubbed. Yes, they do. And underneath. They love their chin rubbed. I'm trying to milk your mama here. Trying to get some milk out of your mama. You drink it all today. Or through the night. I thought you were supposed to be sleeping through the night. Really? Does that mean you want me attention? Hey, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Come on. She just goes over there to sniff around. What are you doing? Come here. Why's your head wet? Mommy giving you a bath? Hmm? Oh, thank you. Yep, that's the camera. What are you doing? Lick? Don't lick it. Really? Since Cookie licked the camera. Here. Don't get crazy with me. You just need to eat your food. And I did buy a milking machine, but with me only taking a gallon a day, if that, from Ginger, it's not even worth it for me right now to use it. I will use it once I wean Cookie, because once I wean Cookie, I'll probably get anywhere from probably 3 to 5 gallons a day of milk. And I don't want to sit out here and hand milk all that. So you can see Cookie up here digging in the hay bin. And then she's very nosy of my stuff. So I will come out again tonight and put Ginger in the stanchion and try and milk her some more. Since Cookie stole it all, Ginger is pretty empty. I probably got about a half a gallon. Oh. Well, good morning. Good morning, sunshine. Oh my goodness. Really, Cookie? I guess Cookie decided it was time to go potty. At least she did it back there and not on me. I always have that fear when she turns her butt to me. Guess what she's gonna do? What? What? Come here. So. Where you going? So I always mess with Cookie. I always rub her teats down here, rub her belly, because you've got to get them used to somebody messing with their belly and their teats down here, because if you don't, then when they get older and you want them to become a milk cow, it's harder because you haven't really messed with them. So we always rub her belly. And I always keep an eye on this back foot too when I'm doing this, because she's got some power. She can lay a good kick into you if she wants to. And them little hooves, they hurt. So, they hurt pretty bad. So we always rub on her. Let me give Ginger a little time here. Cookie does not like fast movement. She's still a little skittish on that part. She doesn't like loud noises. So she's got these little tiny teats. And I always rub them, play with them. Not play with them, but mess with them. Put my hands on them. That way she learns that that is what, you know, that is the milking part when she does finally have a baby and we're able to milk her. I have a friend that owns a dairy farm up north, and she's kind of been teaching me what I need to know. Cookie, where are you going? So, she must be going out for now. So I'm going to finish up here with Ginger. But Cookie's good. She's a good girl. She, well, she does like to escape. She escapes into the horse pasture, or she escapes out past their fence line. We're in the process still of fencing. But everything got put on hold because I had my surgery, and then it was a little while longer than I expected to be out. And then I've been working a lot, and it was really hot, so we kind of put it on hold. But now fall is here, and it is, I think the high this week is only 78. So if you can see out there, way out there in that field, there's a goldenrod is in bloom right now, and my bees are having a field day. They are bringing in a lot of pollen, and I bet a lot of it is that goldenrod. They probably don't leave that field over there. Is that you girls? Nope, not the girls. Alright, so I'm done milking here. this up. The teat dipper. And I will take you back and show you the pigs. So the morning milking is done, and we are going to get ready to put some hay up into the barn. I'm just going to come through here and I'm just going to show you guys the pigs. You haven't seen the pigs in a while, and they are huge. They are ginormous. They go to butcher here October 26th, I believe it is. And look how big they are. They have gotten so big. So, yeah, we got till October 26th on these guys. Until they go to butcher. But they are ginormous. We gave them some hay last night. We gave them a bale of hay, and they had so much fun with it. What's up, guys? What? So, I'm just coming around here. And we've got the meat birds moved outside. They are all over there. Under the tree over there, and then here. So they are out here enjoying their pasture. They will go to butcher the 1st of November. So we've got 25 more of them to put in the freezer or to sell. We've sold some. So now it is time to... Oh, the ducks are quacking. There's the ducks. They're all quacking. We got this one laying out here. What is it, quack quacks? What? What? What's up, guys? Hi. What's wrong? What? All the chickens are keeping in the shade over there underneath their coop. Hi, quack quacks. What? What's wrong, quack quacks? So we've got 7 ducks. We sold one. We had 8. We ended up selling one, so we've got 7 now. I think actually I am down to 1 male and 6 females. So that is a good number for me. So, I don't know where Cookie is and Ginger. I don't see them out in the pasture. Beep beep. Move. Mom. So now what we have to do is we have to clean a stall to put the hay in. Because the hay we're putting away is more of a hay for goats. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to ride up and check on my husband. Because he was up raking hay. Let's make sure he's not in the backfield. I don't think he is. I don't hear nothing. I'm just gonna make sure he's not back here, and then we'll check on him up the road, because he is up the road doing hay. Somebody may have stopped him. And we are doing this field today. Alright, so I'm going to go and check on him, and then I will be right back. Because he's been gone for a while, so I like to check on him, make sure nothing happened. There's Skunk. Alright, so I will return in just a minute. Field that we get the hay from, but he's fine. He's just finishing raking it up. We're all good here, so we're gonna head back home and we're gonna get the barn cleaned out. Get ready to bale up this field. I think I just swallowed a bug. Clean the barns or the stalls and go ahead and get ready to load some hay in them. Oh goodness. So this is one of our stalls we keep haying. This is some hay that we will feed to our horse and our cattle. Oh, I forgot Ginger was still in the stanchion stall. Hi. Apple's a good boy. He's a good boy. And then Ginger's still in here. She's making a mess. Ew, you slobbered. You're making a mess in the stanchion stall. Where's Cookie at? Oh, there's Cookie Moo. Cookie. Hi. You guys are making a disastrous mess in here that Ashley's going to have to clean up. We're going to go ahead. We're going to run them out of this stall. Come on. Come on, Ginger. Out. Out. Come on. Out. Go. Cookie, you can't both go out the door at the same time. What are you doing? Alright, so we're going to close this up. Because I don't like them in my milk stall all the time. Because they make a mess like they've done. And she's ripped out all the hay. So they can stay in their own stall. So we'll clean this stall up later because I'll milk her later this evening. So the meat birds were in this stall. But the girls took them all outside. So, you want your fan on, Ginger? Keep the flies away. There you go. Alright, so we have got two. Apple, you want your fan on? All right, we have got to clean this up over here so that we can pile hay in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to clean it. So, will you guys see the before picture of it? And then here in a minute, you'll see the after picture. So this is what it looks like now. If you remember, I haven't done the whole stall yet, but we're just gonna stack the hay up on these skids over here. So, and here comes the hay. And now it's packed of hay. So now it's time to go bale what we got down. But that's how we do it around here. We just put hay everywhere. So that trailer's empty. So now we'll get it and we'll go bale our fields. Our fields. And the kids are old enough now, Ashley and Steffi, so they do the baling. Look at my lettuce. So we're having steak, potatoes, macaroni and cheese, I guess, for the kids. Maybe we'll have a lettuce for our dinner. With our dinner, I should say. Lovey is sunning herself. Say hi, Lovey. Huh. All right, well, that's all for now. We will catch you guys in a little bit. There's Trixie, the German Shepherd. Come on, Trix. What are you doing, girl? Trixie, sit. Aw, she's such a good girl. Say hi. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. You're such a good girl. Come on. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to go get on our side-by-side and go hook up the baler to the tractor. The kids are getting changed because they're doing the baling. The pool looks mighty fine right now. I should turn the heater on and heat it. Coda's sunning herself. So this is really, really important when you're baling hay, especially when it's really hot out. So we are going to take some water up and see if anybody would like some water, because they're up the street here baling. Here we go. They're about done. Ooh, bumpy. Oh my goodness. Would you like some waters? Look, there's one. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there's two. Look at them. They're really going to town over here. Say hi. So they got some more to do. All right, so we will leave them to their work. But they look like they're pretty busy. Now they've got some water, so... Alright, I'll catch up with you later. Bye! Alright guys, so I don't know where I left off. It's been a day or two because I had to work, but just wanted to get this video out there and say hello to everybody, and hopefully we can start getting videos out more often now. So you guys have a wonderful day. and we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.